So all of you, good afternoon. So today we would like to conduct the dissection of the silkworm glands. Okay, so the dissection of the silkworm glands, it is very important. Whatever we are wearing the class, it is due to the silkworm larvae, that is especially the Bombyx mori. Okay, so now I would like to show you the important structure in the body of the silkworm larva is the silk glands. So you might be known that these silk glands are the modified form of the labial glands. Okay, so almost in the 5th instar larvae of the silkworms, they would like to occupy 50% of the body weight. Okay, so all those things you might be known previously. Now straight away I would like to go for the dissection of the silkworm larvae. Okay, close this guy. So these larvae are the silkworm larvae 5th instar. Actually these larvae are the 4th instar larvae of the silkworm, but the silk glands are not developed highly. Okay, perfect silk glands you cannot find in these 4th instar larvae. But you can take the exact silk glands structure like the anterior region, middle region, and also the posterior region in the 5th instar. So these 5th instar larvae are the 1 year back old larvae. We have been preserved in the formaldehyde 4%. Okay, so now I would like to use these larvae for the dissection of the silkworm larvae. Okay, silkworm glands. Okay, so somewhat they become very brittle. So now I would like to take the 5th instar larva, which is very straight. Okay, so I would like to attempt 2 or 3 larvae because these are all very sturdy and also the very brittle. So I would like to do for 3 or 4 larvae so that you can get the so what are all the things required is, one is bell pins, one is forceps, needles, and also small blades, and also the small handy knives. Okay, and also this is nothing but the waxy plate, so which is very useful for the dissection of anything like mouth parts, and also you can do for the silkworm glands, whatever. And these are all the forceps. And also you need a small brush, camelin hair brush, so big or the small one, to clear the contents of the digestive system. Okay, so actually these silk glands are the ventral glands, so they used to occupy at the bottom of the alimentary canal. Okay, especially these are also called as the modified labial glands, are also called as the ventral glands. Okay, so just I would like to make the larva very straight. So after taking from the formaldehyde, and I have soaked in the water so that the skin would become very smooth. Okay, so a little fragile. Okay, so after making this larva straight, we need to give a small grip like on the head region. So sometimes when we are inserting in the head region, so generally the spinnerate is present. Okay, so we should take care that there should not be any damage to the spinnerate. Okay, so slightly we need to insert, and we need to make it the pin slant in position. Okay, so this head is over. Next what we have to do, next again we need to take the another pin, and we need to make the larva very straight. It should not be break. The larva should not break while you are handling using the pins, and also it should not come out this pin. And then slightly we need to insert on the terminal abdominal segment. Okay, slightly, and we need to make it very slant. Okay, so when you make the slant, because this intersegmental regions would be open up. When you open up this intersegmental region, then it is very easy to cut the skin. to cut the integument. So this is very very important, and you can clearly see the things. So now I would like to take the blade and keeping the position into the slant. Okay, then slowly I would like to puncture. See, so this is the way. So how the thrips are going to rasp the leaves, like that. I need to rasp using this blade on the silkworm larvae. So like this. So like this, slowly we need to insert, and slowly we need to drag from the head portion to the terminal segment. Okay, so this is the way. So again, so why? So this slant, keeping the pins in the slanting position, so that is very very important. So that creates a perfect cut because of the exposure of the intersegmental membrane. Okay, so like this we need to do. So this is the way. Slowly, see, this is the way, like this we need to do. See, okay, so now I cut the top portion. Then what I have to do, using the needle and also the bell pins, slowly we need to open. So slowly we need to open. So the skin of the integument, slowly we need to open, because these are all the old larvae. It is very difficult to open the intact. It is very difficult to open the intact integument, because these are all the old larvae. If it is fresh larva, you can very easily take out the skin very freshly. Okay, so this is the way. Slightly we need to keep a pin. Okay, so like this we need to do. And again, so now here itself you cannot make the pin slant. If you do, the skin would be broken. Okay, so that's why 1 or 2 pins we need to insert on the front region. Okay, so this is the way. And next, at the terminal abdomen portion also, slowly, because here the ventral glands used to occupy the top of the abdomen also. Then slightly we need to observe and we need to pin, because you should not disturb or damage the glands or the silk glands which are distributed to the upper abdomen. Okay, so this is very very important, and like this we need to make. And this one part we have been completed. The second part also we need to do. Slowly we need to do, because these are all very 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 fragile. Okay, see how the integument is coming from the body, you just see. So this is the way of the taking the things. Yeah, Pranay Kumar, are you seeing, are you observing? Yes, please. Pranay? Yes, anybody respond?
Yes, sir. I'm observing, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, my voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Very good. Okay, now here in the middle also we need to keep one more pin like this. So yes, Make it slant. Yeah, Abhigna, are you seeing? Are you observing the things? Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Observing, sir.
Yes, Samantha. Samantha, are you there? Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Observing, sir.
Shinde.
Yes, sir.
Sachin Shinde.
Sir. Observing, sir.
Where are you?
Sir, I am at home, sir.
In Kukatpalli.
Yes, sir.
Okay, had your lunch?
Yes, sir. I had my lunch, sir.
Yeah.
Did you have your lunch, sir?
Yes, I completed. What is the special today?
Sir, fried rice, sir.
Fried rice.
Yes, sir.
Egg fried rice.
No, sir. Veg omelette.
See, now I have inserted all the pins. Okay, I opened the body of the silkworm larvae. Okay, now, so here also I need to get open like this. Right? Is it clear? See, చిన్నది తీసుకో camera brush, small. Right. So now, see, now my part is to take out all the unwanted parts of the. So I need some more water, distilled water. Slowly, very slowly. Okay, enough. Okay, so now I need to take out the all unwanted things, the fat bodies, and also the fat bodies, and also this digest system. So it will take time to clear all these things. See, now I am clearing all the digest system, the internal contents. See, I am taking all the trachea of the larva. Okay, now slowly I am exposing, slowly I am seeing the silk glands very clearly. Okay, so this is the important step to
Sir.
So this is the digest system. I'm cleaning or taking out the entire digest system. See, so these are all the internal contents of the digest system. Can anybody respond? Is it clear? Can anybody respond, please?
Yes, sir.
So slowly I am observing the posterior region. Are you seeing? Yes, I will show you. Amma, the black paper, prepare ji.
చేస్తున్నాను సార్.
So this is the anus, this is the digest system. So see, the complete body is occupied with the yes, I got it. See, I'm taking out the digestive system slowly. Are you seeing, observing? See, so this is the digestive system, so which was swollen because of the formaldehyde. The complete digestive system, yes, I got. So I may not get the spinner head exactly, but I can get the a portion of the anterior region and black paper radiation.
చేశాను.
So still it is intact, the trachea. Yes, I got the structure, but the task is that we need to take without any damage. I got the complete silk glands, but the aim is to take out the structure without any disturbance or the damage. See, still the trachea is obstructing, so we need to take out the trachea. But see, when you take the body, the 50% or the almost 75% is with the silk glands. Yes. So ఇది క్లియర్ వస్తుంది. Give me the black paper. My black paper. So now I got the silk glands. Clear. See, are you seeing the clear? Yes, please. Yes, Shinde, are you seeing?
Yes, visible, sir.
So this is the folded portion, that is the posterior region. Yeah, Pranay.
Yes, sir.
Pranay, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
See, how the folded portion. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So this is the W shaped. give me small strips. Yes. See, yeah, Pranay. So, are you? Is it? See. So, this is the middle region. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, this is the middle region, and here also middle region, and this is the posterior region,
Posterior.
and this is also posterior region. See, from here, there is a part is extending towards the mouth. Okay, this are you seeing? So this will connect to the anterior region like this. See, like this, But here we cannot. We missed the anterior region because this is 1 year old larva. Okay, so it is very tedious to get the spinneret and also the anterior region because it is very white thread like that, very fine thread like it is. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So now in this case, so this is the middle region, and this is the posterior region. Okay, so here the fibroin is secreted from the posterior region, and it is going to come to the middle region where it is stored, and also where it is matured and it will become functional. And here in the posterior limbs of the middle region, it is going to secrete the sericin 1, and the middle limb it is going to secrete the sericin 2, and the anterior limb it is going to secrete the sericin 3. So these three sericin proteins would like to lodge on the fibroin, and from here it is going to come to the anterior region. Okay, so two threads, those two from one from here and one from here. So these two threads are called as the brims. These brims would like to come and make single thread with the help of the spinneret, and it is used to come from the mouth, that is the lower lip of the silkworm larva. So that is nothing but the babe. Okay, so is it clear? Is it clear? Anybody having doubts? Please respond. Pranay?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So this is a dissection of the silkworm silk glands. Okay. So this is one of the important practical for the course into 332 management of beneficial insects. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Okay. So thank you one and all. So I hope that you understood very well these silk glands practically. Thank you.